All right, if you were with us in our last hour, Ryan was out on the weather deck when one little spot of rain happened to pass over the peninsula of Portland. But broadly speaking, we're not looking at a lot of rain. Right
no, there has been quite a bit today up in the mountains around Jackman, Moosehead Lake, but most places not much. I'm interested to see what the Jetport will report for rainfall today, because that shower didn't go over the Jetport, so where we take the observations.
Okay, so it may not count.
No, it may not count. There may have just been like a sprinkle there. And the reason I'm interested is right now, if July were to end now, this would go in the books as the driest July on record in Portland. And again, this is coming off a very wet June. I find it hard to believe we're back into talking about a drought in parts of the state, but this is what happens in the summertime when you just get virtually no rain during the time of the year when the sun is at its highest. It can really dry things out, and that's what we've seen this month, particularly around the mid-coast and southern Maine. And where it's raining now is where we kind of need it least. We've got one little shower, that one that went through Portland with a few drops over southern Maine. Up in the mountains, though, that's where these showers have been more numerous. Steady rain around Greenwood, Paris, and then up toward Bingham through Jackman, Solon. You got some rain there, too. And numerous showers up here in the North Woods and the Moosehead region. But from Bangor south, not much rain at all right now. Temps have come down with the clouds and a few showers, but the dew points are still up there in the 60s. So we're not going to drop a whole lot more through the night tonight with a kind of muggy air in place. Storm system's slow to move away, so there's still a chance for a shower tomorrow, but I think it'll be a brighter day when compared to today. So if you have plans this evening, you have to be ready for a passing shower, most numerous in the hills and mountains, but the trend overnight will be for a lot of this to dry up. We dip into the 50s up north, low 60s to the south tomorrow morning. And I think it's a little stickier to the south. The air may be somewhat drier tomorrow morning to the north. Overall, we have a decent day with sunshine developing through midday. Temps warmer than today in just about all of the state. The exception being far north, you probably hang on to more clouds in Aroostook County. And there's a chance we bubble up a shower tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow evening. But again, a lot of the time tomorrow will be dry. High temps upper 70s to low 80s for most of us, except from Calais north and east. It will be a little cooler there with some extra cloud cover. Tomorrow night, the weather's quiet. Saturday looks really good. Partly to mostly sunny. Some of these will be just high clouds in the afternoon. And I think that we're dry on Saturday. And that means that if you're going to be out at the beach to Beacon with me, weather looks good. It may be a little sticky with dew points in the low 60s. So like as you come around Pond Cove there in Cape Elizabeth, there's a lot of sunshine on that part of the course. Might feel a little hot as you approach mile 5 that late in the race, but all in all, the weather is good for that. Still good weather on Sunday too. Could be a little morning fog, a small chance for a shower on Sunday, but this front approaches on Monday, bringing us a higher chance for showers as that starts to come in. Seas tomorrow, 3 to 4 feet with a northwest wind, 5 to 10 knots on the water. So take a look at the next 7. Again, an isolated shower tomorrow, but I think a lot of the day is dry. Over the next few days, inland areas a couple of degrees warmer than the coast because there will be a light onshore wind that kicks in, especially over the weekend. Monday, most likely the day with rain. Very humid on Monday, too, with temps in the 70s. And then keeping Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday dry. Could be a shower one of those days, but it looks like a pretty low chance. And guys, when you're in a dry pattern like we've been, a lot of the times it's tough to get out of it. So we'll see how that pans out next week.
We need to, though.
We
We need to break out of this one.
We do.
Right.
Okay, Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.